Look back at me. Look back at me. Come on, look at me. Look at me. Ah, whatever. But today we're on a. I don't. Well, this is. I don't think this is a horror map, but I guess it's kind of a creepy aspect to it. Map called Places by Unknown Cat. Places by Unknown Cat. It just came out pretty recently. Yeah, April 7th. So pretty cool. Oh, look at me. But looks pretty cool. I thought today I would just showcase a map. And this, I think this is his third map he's released. I read the description, something about his third map. Pretty well made for third. But, she won't follow me. Let me take care of that. Okay. I don't have to deal with her. But, this is a spawn. Pretty cool. Got some good sounds. I don't know, sounds like we're in a war right now, because of the explosions. But yeah, I wonder what's back here. Okay. Ooh. Let me turn the... Holy shit. This is really far. Oh my god. Jesus. How high up was that? Whoa. Can you hear me sniffle? I'm very allergenic today. Yeah, I'm a big fan of this action cam mod. It's very fun. It's a little funky to get used to. Pretty sure there's a head right there. Eh, let me in. Little blicky. Okay, I can't really see up there very well. Guessing I can't go up there. Oh, there's a ladder. Oh. Yeah, I'll try to turn down the audio. I'm pretty sure the gun's really loud. Huh. Interesting. Got my bed. Those are like the portal rooms. I guess let's go back down. I broke my legs. Okay. We got some water. Pretty well atmosphere though, I like it. I think this is like supposed to be the back rooms, but like very run down, which I haven't seen much of that. Like it's already like a run down, but like specifically the pool rooms are always like pristine rather than run down and broken. Okay, I don't like that. Can I open this? Oh, wait, maybe I can crouch. Maybe let me just... I went through that totally real. Guess you can't shoot it. That's pretty cool. Seems like a garage. Oh, Jesus. What is going on? Very cool though, I like it. Alright. Fire. Okay. Yep. This is very nice, though. I like this. I can't tell if this is supposed to be a horror map or, like, just an exploration map. Yeah. Music's very nice, too. It's very eerie. Lay down. Oh, shit. Oh, I don't think this is... Oh, shit. I guess that hurts me. This... Whoa, that's big. This flesh pit. Oh, I'm gonna die. Shit. Oh, fuck? Well, guess not to go that way. Very cool, though. I like it. Always been a big fan of the, backroom stuff. It's so interesting. Hmm. Yippee! Got a small little pool. Blue. Fuck. Sneezed. At the end of the stairs. I love maps with like little secrets and stuff. It's really fun trying to find stuff. I wish they would like, because games nowadays like they just like the new Resident Evils. I like them, but like fucking bright yellow tape everywhere is like just I don't know. It's not as fun as like playing the old Silent Hills or the old Resident Evils where you had to actually like look around and go find things. Like yeah, I'm not the smartest, so yeah, sometimes I miss stuff and have to look it up. Because Silent Hill 2, I didn't know what the fuck I was supposed to do. Find a piece of hair, put it on a hook, and throw it down a drain. I would never thought that was the uh the way to get progressed. I had to look that shit up. But with like Resident Evil, those crates are pretty like obvious. Like in fucking Resident Evil 5, they're just like a crate that looks breakable. Or like in a lot of older games, they make it like a slightly different, I guess, shade of light. So like it still blends in, but it's still like a different color. Like barrels in other games where you break a barrel and get stuff out of it. You could tell it's breakable. You don't have to make it covered in bright fucking tape. Um, should I jump down? Oh yeah, I'm jumping. Holy shit, this map is tall. And oh, I'm gonna die. Yeah, I gotta time this perfectly. But like the yellow tape, like there's just better ways of making map exploration. Like moss, scratched trees, or broken bricks, something like that. Something that matches it, but still looks obvious. You know, okay, I gotta make this. Oh my god. I almost died there. Damn, this elevator is going fast as shit. Yeah. I just played Requiem not too long ago. It's pretty fun. It definitely was. I felt like it was shorter because I don't play Resident Evils very much. I'm really bad at them usually. So I put it on easy mode. I wish I didn't because it was way too fast. But I played through like the older ones at hardcore and it was pretty fun. I absolutely was crashing out on playing 4 on hardcore. Because I was just at the last section, 0 health, and just constantly on a respawn point. So I was just getting fucked. It was fun though, it was fun. It was invigorating because I'm not good at those games. And then I'm right now trying to play through Silent Hill 3, because I already finished 2. 2 is amazing. And 3 seems really good. I like 3, it's just, I don't know, I just like the aspect of 2 a lot more. 3 is still really good, I like it a lot. I just love the sound design and just the atmosphere of it. Has always been amazing. They need to make some, not more, but like, I don't know. It's just hard to say like, oh, make more of this game without it like coming out like shit. Oh, I've already been here. Shit. Like, nah. I just wish there was more older games. I'm not very happy with the new games. Especially the Call of Duties. I used to be loving Call of Duty. Black Ops 1, 2, and I loved World War 2. It was an amazing game. But just after MW2, the new one, it just like, I don't know, it looks kind of shit. Cold War was okay. I was okay with Cold War. I like the zombies. But, I don't know, the new one was just kind of falling off. I just don't think it's worth it anymore. Ooh, 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 wee. Oh, weird, when you crouch, it like looks like you're not moving. Jesus. It's loud. I guess I'll just go back. Very nice map, though. I love the design. There's this other map I might play. It's called Missing. I don't know who it was by, but it was really good when me and my friend played it. What the fuck was that? Oh. Huh, very interesting. Seems to be a cat. Shit, no way I found everything already. Did I really find everything? It's definitely a smaller map. Still fun, though. Can I get in here? Oh. Guess I'm not supposed to be here. It's definitely a very nice map. It's definitely smaller, of course. A lot more simpler, but it's got some good scares. I love the style of it. I just feel like there's no way I've already found everything. I feel like this is a good map for like a little horror setup, though. What is that? Oh, it's my blood from last. Oh my god, I'm so low. Yeah, because I already found everything over here, right? I love looking at the outside of the map. It's so interesting seeing what they've made. Wait, I haven't found that room. What? Oh my god, no way I missed that. Whatever, that's stupid. Did I? Oh, this is... I'm guessing there was a way to get up here. Let me check. Was I here before? No. Oh, whoa. What's this? The Gmod ladder has always been a little funky. Oh, what is this? What? Are you serious? I'm that blind? Oh, I don't know how to do that. Oh, whoa. Oh. Little washing machines. This is very cool, though. The washing machines in Half-Life always remind me of Silent Hill. Just that rust. The sound is a little repetitive. It's nice. This is a really long hallway. What's in here? Oh, nothing. God damn it. Little rate. Oh, shit. Oh, whoa, wait. That actually. Oh, it's a teleport beacon. Okay, that's so cool. That's cool. Wait. Is that it though? There's no way. Oh, okay, that is. Okay. Did I miss anything? I think I missed this room. However you get in here. Oh, wait, that's, yeah. Okay, little supply room. Very nice. Okay. I think this is everything in the map. It's a little simplistic, but it's still a really good map. I really like it. It's very tall. It's very tall, actually. Holy shit. No, I would suggest looking at it for yourself. You can make little. I feel like you can make good skits out of this. Definitely enjoy this map, though. I like it. Oh shit! Wow, that's very bright. Yeah, very cool map. I liked it. I hope he comes out with more maps. I'm gonna check out his other two probably because this one's really good. Mhm. Yeah, if any of you like this map, you should go look at his maps. This one's yeah. If y'all like this map, you should definitely go upvote this. It's places by Missing Cat or Unknown Cat, not Missing Cat, Unknown. I definitely liked it. It was a really nice little map. I feel like I could make some good like little horror scenes out of it too. I'm definitely go check out his other maps too. Make sure to upvote them. They're very nice.